Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be playing Bird. Okay, so I'ma just... The Godly Bird. Someone take a screenshot of this. I didn't even try, it was an accident. I don't know how I got it. This is amazing. Alright. No wonder I didn't go. Bro, what am I? Some sort of rapper or something? I'm just gonna grab this clip and run. No one would harm the Godly Bird. 'Cause I am gorgeous. I'm gonna clip a deceased body onto the thing and clip it onto the Godly statue. And then just record a video about like making the Godly stupid or something. Alright, that's perfect. Someone take a screenshot of this if you want to. It will be great. This could be named. This could be a screenshot or something or such. I don't really know. Just do whatever you want with it. It's fun with me. I don't really care. There's a dynamite right there. I'm going to use the cry. Stick. My stick. I'm just gonna paint my head with the stick. Cause I am the Godly Stupid. Oh god. Help, I'm stuck. Yes! It's the Godly Stupid. I look gorgeous. Gentlemen. Oh my god, what was that? I'm gonna make a bird wear this. I'm gonna just force a bird to wear some sort of like top hat or something. It'd be a masterpiece. Oh yeah. This is gonna be good. This is gonna be good. Yes! I put the Look at him. Oh my god, I'm dying. Help me. Whee. I am amazing. This is just gorgeous. Take a screenshot if you want as well of this. That was just amazing. This is amazing. This is just amazing. I thought it couldn't get any better. It just did. Open fire! Okay, so I can't burn that. How about the grass? I am evil. I am just evil. Perfect. Ooh, I can burn more souls. Bye bye. I said burn! Yes, burn, child. This is just amazing. This is all amazing and stupid at once. Burn. Burn everything. I'm asking for it. I'm asking just for random crap to happen. I'm just asking for someone to die, basically. I am flirting with death over here. Welcome to the underground. How is the ball? I said the adorable bird of flame. This is amazing. Burn. Oh my god, are you kidding me? Let go of me. Shout out to Fly Musher for being the worst person in existence. Setting me on fire like that. Wow, he really is a jerk. Okay, that's just it. They're the worst person. I'm alive. I'm actually alive. Oh, thank God. Let the chaos continue. Set him on fire. Setting fire. Song's stuck in my head with this chaos. It's just too perfect. The dad bird is on fire. Ooh, look, a fight, a riot. Oh my god, this is chaos. Death! Death! I'm asking for death. This is gorgeous. Be sure to like and sub from this. I will literally do another one of these if I have the opportunity for you guys. It also entertains me, just doing it. It is way too fun. This crap is amazing. Shout out to Bird for being the best game ever. Lol, he's a fire. Burn. Crap, oh crap, oh crap. Yes, he's dead. Cook them. Burnt chicken. Yes, I love the taste of burnt chicken. It is just glorious. This madness is just glorious. Blow up. No, he didn't die. I hate him for that. This would have been so great if he died as well. Oh my god. It's just too good. What's your final words? It's the I Heart Mom guy. He's gonna die. Yes. Yes, I Heart Mom is now a chicken wing. Rest in peace, I Heart Mom. Shout out to I Heart Mom guy for being real good. These are just amazing. This all is just amazing. Burny, burny, burn. I'm gonna burn everyone alive, aren't I? I need to set the torch down for a moment. Just to say our sponsor, Raid Shadow. I'm just kidding. I don't do sponsors. But oh well, I would if I could. If it gave me money, at least. The godly bird. I'm gonna drop the gun. As long as the torch. I mean, along with the torch. And I'm gonna just beat someone to death emotionally with the I Heart Mom thing. That is just a masterpiece. Ah, he already has a hat. Oh well. I'm just gonna drop this onto his head. Yes, the new I Heart Mom. Shout out to Turtle Power or Turtle Retro. I don't know, but I love this. I Heart Mom. No, I heart this. This madness. Man, I'm so glad to be doing this today. Every time I look at him, I always just think in my mind, I don't know why, this is just too good. The cheese, I just remember the cheese. We're gonna throw cheese on someone's head. Yes, he has the cheese. Fundrisk has the cheese on his head. Yes, the cheese is on his head. It's a miracle. This is just the best time I've ever had in my life. Why are there avocados everywhere? Anyways, folks, that's gonna be it for today's miracle. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.